Hi guys, welcome back to the Flat Media channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this audio spectrum effect. Make sure to watch the video until the end to learn more about this effect. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. As well, go to Elements Envato and get a subscription. Also, get your Filmora 11 today. Now let's jump into the video. First thing we need to do is go to Titles, find the default title, and add it on the timeline. Now double-click the title, and go to Advanced. Delete the text. After that, go to Add Shape, and add this shape. Delete the text here too. Now unselect everything. Just go to Shape Border, and make the thickness to 4. Our next step is to put the pictures here for search and microphone. Go to Advanced again, and press on Add Photo. Press OK and make the size you need. We'll put the scale on 6. When you finish with the photos, go to Advanced, and press Add Text, and add the text you want. Let's type Flat Media. Our next step is to put animation on the text. Go to Advanced, go to Animation, and put the typewriter animation. Make the animation where to start, where to finish. And try it, see how it looks. When everything is finished with the effect, to look more interesting, we'll put a typing keyboard sound effect. Put the sound effect where the animation starts, and at the end. And we have the search bar animation. And we're done for this video, guys. Again, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. Also, get your Filmora 11 today and subscribe to Elements Envato if you want to become a pro editor.